3 ones are equal to 3. Let's repeat it. 3 ones are equal to 3. Repeat again. 3 times 1 equals 3. Now it's your turn. 3 times 1 equals... The answer is 3 times 1 equals 3. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 2s are equal to 6. Let's repeat it. 3 2s are equal to 6. And repeat again. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now it's your turn. 3 times 2 equals... The answer is 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 3s are equal to 9. Let's repeat again. 3 3s are equal to 9. And repeat again. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now it's your turn. 3 times 3 equals... The answer is 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 4s are equal to 12. Let's repeat it. 3 4s are equal to 12. And repeat again. 3 times 4 equals 12. Now it's your turn. 3 times 4 equals... The answer is 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 5s are equal to 15. One more time. 3 5s are equal to 15. And again. 3 times 5 equals 15. Now it's your turn. 3 times 5 equals... The answer is 3 times 5 equals 15. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 6s are equal to 18. Let's repeat again. 3 6s are equal to 18. One more time. 3 times 6 equals 18. Now it's your turn. 3 times 6 equals... The answer is 3 times 6 equals 18. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 7s are equal to 21. Let's repeat it. 3 7s are equal to 21. One more time. 3 times 7 equals 21. Now it's your turn. 3 times 7 equals... The answer is 3 times 7 equals 21. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 8s are equal to 24. Let's repeat it. 3 8s are equal to 24. And repeat it again. 3 times 8 equals 24. Now it's your turn. 3 times 8 equals... The answer is 3 times 8 equals 24. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 9s are equal to 27. Let's repeat it. 3 9s are equal to 27. And repeat it again. 3 times 9 equals 27. Now it's your turn. 3 times 9 equals... The answer is 3 times 9 equals 27. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 10s are equal to 30. Let's repeat it. 3 10s are equal to 30. And repeat it again. 3 times 10 equals 30. Now it's your turn. 3 times 10 equals... The answer is 3 times 10 equals 30. Let's repeat it one more time. 3 times 10 equals 30.